Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, but it's a different video. It's not an open collaboration I'm in. It's not a hashtag I'm supporting. It's something that I want to come on and ask everybody out there. I came across these tickets that I've done in the past. No, these are not my creations, but I've swapped with people in the past that we altered or stamped or altered, tickets. And you could make your own tickets. Like these are stamped on paper and scored every, like inch and a half or two. This is 2 inches, I think. Um, and then we would swap them with each other. And I was talking to some of my girlfriends online, and I told them, wouldn't this be fun to do again? I love swap. I just wanted something that was easy to do. You don't need a die. You can make this on your own. You don't need special tools. If you have a hole punch, you can make these. I wanted something that was easy to mail. I don't expect goodies. Because I want to do a swap. I want to host a swap is what I'm trying to say. And I want to host a ticket swap. I don't know the details yet. I don't know the rules yet. I just wanted to come on to see what everybody thinks. If this is a good idea, if this is a bad idea. Tereese, we're past that already. We're not interested in doing that. We're into all these other stuff. I don't know. I am interested in doing a ticket swap. So all I'm asking is for people to let me know if they're interested in swapping tickets with me. If I get enough people interested, then I'll put together a group swap, and I'll try to remember how the swap went back in the day, and then we'll go from there. But in this video, I'm just asking to see if anybody's interested in it. As you can see, here are some samples that I have received, and I love each and every one. That's why I haven't used them. I think this one I used one of them because it's missing one more ticket. I think we did 5 tickets, 5 sets of tickets, and we would swap them, and you get 5 back. You can do it in any theme, any style. But it was just fun and inexpensive to do and to mail. So I'm just trying to get a feel. But it just brought me back to the days we were altering tickets. And to me, it was just something that I wish I did more of, because I think these are the only ticket that I've gotten. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Let me know down below what you think, or you don't want to do it. You don't have to. But I just thought this would be a really good idea. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.